My name's Marietta Mahani, and this week we're using the 2 dumbbells to do jogging in the water. And I'm going to show you a different arm combination from ones that we've done in the past. Now, I know that you've done this. I know that you've done this. So I'm jogging on my toes, my knees are lifting up high, I'm pushing the forward, side, side. Now, it looks like there's a lot going on, but it actually isn't that challenging. All of that white water, which is great for other activities when you want to demonstrate intensity, is happening because my dumbbells aren't that submerged. There's quite a bit of dumbbells still out of the water. So if I want to make it a little bit harder, what do I need to do? I need to put the dumbbell under the water. And yes, I have to grip a little bit more firmly. Therefore, having the dumbbell under the water is a lot harder if I'm submerging the whole thing down. But what if I turn the dumbbells around so they're this way? And I keep the dumbbell under the water as much as I possibly can. It's really effective. One, getting the heart rate up, but also working triceps, my lats, pecs are working as I push it forwards. It's quite interesting how challenging that exercise becomes. So let's talk about the options. You've got dumbbells just in the horizontal position near the surface of the water. That's level 1. Level 2 is put the dumbbells underneath the water. And then level 3 is turn the dumbbells around so they are vertical. And that is this week's Aqua tip. Okay, demonstrating the dumbbell exercises, jogging with the dumbbells in the water. And this is my dog Russell. He has never made an appearance in any of my Aqua tips, but today he's decided to hang around. He's not sure about what's going to happen. He might hang around, he might leave. But remember what I mentioned in the pool, when you've got the dumbbells in this horizontal position and you're pushing them to the front and to the side and the dumbbells are close to the surface, there isn't very much going on from a cardiovascular point of view, though it looks like it's really active because there's a lot of white water. Therefore, the cool thing to do is to push it down underneath the water in the horizontal position and then to flip it around if you really want them to work harder in the vertical position. Again, you're jogging on your toes, you're asking people to push the dumbbells forward and to the side, and I suggest that you start with option 1. So I ask people to jog on their toes, lift their knees up high, push the dumbbells to the front and to the side. Now I'd start them there and say, okay, I want you just moving the dumbbells forward and out. Now if you'd like to work a bit harder, I want you to completely submerge the dumbbell. Now what you will feel is that your arms are going to be working a little bit harder and you're going to feel the intensity increase because you've got the dumbbell submerged. You're actually going to feel your back muscles start to engage. And the reason why they'll feel their back muscles engaging is that they're pushing the dumbbell down. Latissimus dorsi is a really effective shoulder depressor. That's what it does. It presses the shoulders, it pulls the humerus down. You know, with a lat pull down in the gym, you're pulling down the bar so the weight goes up. It's exactly the same with the dumbbell underneath the water. You're pushing the dumbbells under the water as you're doing that movement pattern. If you flip the dumbbells around, because your hand's in this position with your thumb pointing up, there's a lot more activation. You've got more, you're pressing more of the dumbbell foam underneath the water, because from here to there. See how that foam bit just got lower in the water? So there's a lot more activation. And because you've got your thumb in this position, you're going to be activating your latissimus dorsi a lot more, the rhomboids a lot more, you're going to be using your chest a lot more. And so this would be your final option for those people who want to work harder, making sure that they keep the dumbbells completely submerged. That's the key. So given the three options, remember that you're saying near the surface, and of course you're demonstrating as well as you can that's near the chest level. And then when you ask them to push it down lower, get it down to your waist level, when you're demonstrating on land. And then when you're holding the dumbbell here, make sure that you're keeping the dumbbell down near your hip level rather than up here, which is a default position for a lot of us. So keep the arms down low. You might need to practice this because it does feel a little bit strange compared to perhaps what you normally do. And that is this week's Aqua tip.